Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and in good health. Dear students, today we will start our lecture from chapter 5, that is more on Word. It is starting from page 49 and ending at page 60. As the name shows, this chapter is about MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. For this, we must know what is MS Word. It is a graphical word processing program that users can type with. It is made by the computer company Microsoft. Its basic purpose is to allow users to type and save documents. For these documents, a number of additional features are available to make document appealing and presentable. Now, the first feature that we will study is using the clipboard that is given on page 49. This feature enables the user to paste different text segments at different places in the same or another document. As you can see, there are three options in the clipboard, that is cut option, copy option and paste option. You can access clipboard group by clicking on Home tab. Our next topic related to MS Word is viewing a document on page 50. Viewing a document means that how you see a document. Three ways are given in your book how to view a document. First one is draft layout. This is a general view for looking at a document. It enables us to quickly edit the text. The second way is full screen reading layout. This view enables us to maximize the reading space. And the last one is the web layout. It makes us view the document as it would appear as a web page in a browser. While you people use internet, you might be using different websites and over there you might be having different web pages. When you click on web layout, your document will appear as web page. Now how you can access these modes? For this, you simply click on to view tab. The next we have changing zoom settings, again on page 50. Here you have two types of zoom settings, zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in is denoted by plus sign and zoom out by a minus sign. Now actually what's the difference between zoom in and zoom out? Zoom in makes your text appear larger and zoom out means the text will appear smaller. So it means when you click on plus sign, your text will appear larger in size and minus sign will make your text smaller in size. For access to zoom settings, you have to click on View tab. Another important thing is that default zoom setting is 100%. This means that whenever you open a document, the zoom settings will be at 100%. The next topic is splitting a document. The word splitting means to divide. Here, splitting a document means to break or divide a window into two. The advantage of splitting a document is that we can view different parts of the document at the same time. You can also see the picture in front of you that the document has been divided into two parts. Now how you can access it? Very simple, by going to View tab and further clicking on Windows Group. Next we come to inserting text on page 51. Insert means to add something in an already existing document or we can replace with new text. There are few steps to insert. First step, that is to place the cursor to the left of the word that is to be replaced. Second step, press the insert key which is present on the keyboard. And finally, type the word or words to be inserted. This is how you can insert the text. Then we move to undo and redo commands on page 51. Both these commands are available on quick access toolbar. In Latin, un means not, whereas re means again. So here undo actually allows us to reverse or go back to the last action that we have performed, whereas redo repeats the last action performed by the user. For undo, we may use Ctrl plus Z as shortcut key, and for redo, we may use Ctrl plus Y for our convenience. You can also see the arrow direction for undo and redo commands. Now let's start with some practical work. Try to do this along with me so that you may understand it more clearly. First, we will open MS Word given in MS Office. Now you can see the MS Word screen in front of you. Firstly, you see different tabs over here, that is File, Home, Insert, Design, Layout, References, Mailing, etc. When you click on a particular tab, you see different groups. The first group that we started was Clipboard group on Home tab. We also have Font, Paragraph Styles and Editing. As we just started Clipboard group and its three options, so we will confine ourselves to this group having cut, copy and paste options. Now we will write more on Word as you can see. First, we will select the word, then move to copy option and then paste the word. Now you can see that the word more is pasted again in the document. The next feature was to view the document. You move to View tab and over there you see different options or modes to see the document. First one is Print Layout, Read Mode, Web Layout, Outline Draft. Now you can click one by one and you may see your document. For instance, we are now clicking on Read Mode Layout. You see your document appearing as a full screen. You can close it from here. You can also access to these viewing modes through status bar as well. It is a bar located at the bottom of the document. You can see all viewing styles here. The next one was changing zoom settings. Here you can see default setting is 100%. Plus is for zoom in and minus for zoom out. By clicking on plus sign, you see that the text and screen is getting larger. And by clicking on minus sign, the text is getting smaller. Then we read about splitting a document. Again, click on View tab and over here we have Split feature. Click on it and it gets applied on the document like this. Now you can see your window into two. If you want to finish this, go back to View tab and clicking on Remove Split and this feature will be removed from the document. Now the next one is inserting the text. First, bring the cursor to the left of the selected word. Press the Insert key from the keyboard, then write the new word and now you can see that the previous word is replaced by a new word Excel. The last thing that we read was undo and redo commands available on Quick Access toolbar. See, the cursor is on the bar having three options: save, undo and redo. When we click on undo, it reverses last action, so you can see that the word Excel disappears, and when we click on redo, the word Excel again appears on the page. You can also apply these commands by using shortcut keys, as I already told you. For undo, we have Ctrl+Z, that is press the Control key from the keyboard and along with it press Z key. Similarly, for redo, press Control key from the keyboard and side by side press Y key. This was all about today. I hope you all have understood the lecture more clearly after performing the practical work. Thank you and have a nice day.